on, play. Come, drink water. Spark. Hey, come on. You must drink water first. Hey, drink water. Hey. Sparkle, drink water. Spring. Spark, why do you want to drink water? You see, Riot, drink water. Good job, Rai. Okay, enough first. Go play. Go play with your sister. Dito pa sila guys dinala sa park. Tingnan nyo. Bago lang sila kasi nagkita. Magkapatid. This one is siblings. Oh, half sister. This one is Sparkle. And this one is Riot. Rai. Masaya din ang aso, no? The dog is so happy also. You see? They play together. Yes. 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 Galing. We are in the Passeris Park. Dala pa sila dito. Morning exercise with my doggies. Okay. Ang galing-galing nila. Yes. Pero yung alaga ko. Ano sa araw. Yes. Just play spark. Just play spark. Go play with your sister. With Riot, you go play with your sister. Pagod din silang dalawa. Yes. Sparkle. Riot, you are wet already because it is early in the morning. That's why the grass is wet. Come. Go and play, babies. Aya. See. Ra, you go there. Later I step you. Why? Ay. Ay, aray. Drink water. I-play sa mo. Ayo. Hey. Ayo. Spark. Spark. Ayo. Hey, sama sparkle. Riot. Sparkle. Ayo. Every morning, guys, ito ang ginagawa ng mga alaga ko. Nilalakad sila tapos nagpe-play sila dito sa park. This one is belong to some friend. Come here for training. Cause dog show is coming, guys. So this one come here for training. I will train her. Kasi dog show na naman namin sa September 20 at saka 21. 1 month siya dito sa akin, guys. Ito, isushow ko din ito. Ang galing na niya. Yes. Yes, Rai. You are a smart boy, no? Ha? Rai. Riot. The name is Riot. Spark. Come here, Sparkle. Spark. Go play. Pagod na sila. My doggy is very tired already, okay? One more, we go back already, huh? I know tired. I know you are tired, right? I know you are tired, right? Ay. sometimes guys, dog is better than human, no, to take care. No? Sometimes you talk to them also, you can see with their eyes, they, they are talking also. Right, Sparkle? Spark, you are tired, you see? Spark, we go back now? Okay? We go back now. Na sila, guys. Okay, play some more. Oh, easy. Okay, that's our good job, babies. Good job, babies. Good job. Good job. Good job. Job. And guys, it's time to go back already. Okay, enough. Half an hour. Half an hour. Half an hour. Half an laro nila dito, guys. Yan lang, uwi na kami. Thank you, thank you. Ito si Riot. Ito si Spark ko. Dito kami, guys, sa park. Ang ganda kasi dito. Very wide ang laruan ng mga aso. Yan. Guys, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you, I'm rich already, 1K subscriber. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for supporting me. Sa lahat nga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel, Lani the Trainer. Comment and share, guys. And press the notification button para updated kayo sa susunod ko nga mga video. Thank you, guys. Love you all. God bless us.